Hey everyone, welcome back to Top Tech Review. Here, it's all about the iPhone 16 Pro, the latest features, unboxings, camera tests, comparisons, iOS tips, and everything you need to know about Apple's most powerful phone yet. For more information and update pricing, check the link in description below, like, and video comments don't forget to. Subscribe for the latest update, let us get started. The iPhone 16 Pro. Every once in a while, a product comes along that doesn't just meet expectations, it reshapes them. The iPhone 16 Pro is exactly that. It's not simply a phone. It's the culmination of years of precision engineering, visionary design, and boundary-pushing technology. With each generation, Apple inches closer to its ultimate vision of the smartphone. And now, with the 16 Pro, that vision is sharper, faster, and more intelligent than ever before. From the moment you hold it, the iPhone 16 Pro commands attention. Forged from aerospace-grade titanium, it's remarkably light yet incredibly strong, combining form and function in a way that feels both luxurious and purposeful. The subtle curvature of its edges, the symmetry of the bezels, the precision of the buttons, every element is designed to feel not just premium, but personal. At the heart of the iPhone 16 Pro is the A18 Pro chip, a silicon masterpiece built on Apple's most advanced architecture yet. This chip is more than just powerful, it's transformative. Whether you're gaming at console-level graphics, with real-time ray tracing, editing 4K ProRes video on the go, or running advanced machine learning models in your pocket, the iPhone 16 Pro handles it all without breaking a sweat. It's not just the fastest iPhone ever, it's the smartest. But what truly sets the iPhone 16 Pro apart is how it sees the world. The all-new quad-lens Pro camera system redefines mobile photography. A larger main sensor captures more light than ever before. The upgraded ultra-wide lens brings crystal-clear detail to even the smallest subjects. And the game-changing periscope telephoto lens now offers up to 6x optical zoom, allowing you to get closer without compromise. Whether you're filming a sunrise in cinematic mode or snapping portraits with natural depth, the results are nothing short of stunning. And it doesn't stop there. With Apple's adaptive photonics engine, every shot is automatically optimized based on lighting, location, and even the subject's movement. It's not just smart photography, it's intuitive creativity. The display is another revelation. The 6.3-inch Promotion XDR panel is brighter, smoother, and more immersive than anything Apple has ever built. Whether you're scrolling through apps, watching HDR content, or using the new always-on widgets powered by iOS 18, everything feels fluid, alive, and dynamic. Then there's software. iOS 18 brings deeper personalization, smarter Siri suggestions, live translation everywhere, and next-gen privacy tools. It's built to work with you, not just for you. Seamlessly integrated into Apple's ecosystem, the iPhone 16 Pro becomes the control center of your digital life, from smart home to Mac, AirPods to Vision Pro. This is a device built not just for today, but for what comes next. It's a statement for professionals, a dream for creators, and a powerhouse for anyone who wants more out of their tech. The iPhone 16 Pro doesn't just represent Apple's latest innovation. It redefines what a smartphone can be. In an era where smartphones have become extensions of who we are, Apple continues to redefine the role of personal technology with its latest flagship, the iPhone 16 Pro. Every year, the expectations grow higher, the competition fiercer, and yet Apple consistently manages to raise the bar. The iPhone 16 Pro isn't just a refresh, it's a bold leap into the future, balancing elegance with raw power and innovation with user-first practicality. Right out of the box, the iPhone 16 Pro feels different. It's lighter yet stronger, thanks to a refined titanium frame that wraps around its all-glass body with surgical precision. The bezels are slimmer than ever before, making room for a slightly larger display within the same footprint. That 6.3-inch Super Retina XDR display isn't just bigger, it's brighter, more color-accurate, and smarter. With LTPO 2.0 and always-on enhancements, your iPhone now adapts not only to how you use it, but when and why. Under the hood, Apple's new A18 Pro chip powers the experience. Built on an advanced 3 nanometers process, it's not just faster, it's smarter. With a neural engine capable of trillions of operations per second, and a GPU optimized for ray tracing and machine learning, the iPhone 16 Pro doesn't just keep up with your life, it anticipates it. Gaming, content creation, multitasking, everything is seamless, fluid, and ridiculously responsive. The camera system sees its most significant upgrade in years. A newly engineered 48MP main sensor works alongside a dedicated periscope-style telephoto lens, giving users up to 6x optical zoom without sacrificing clarity. Night mode is sharper, colors are more true to life, and Apple's computational photography is now aided by AI-driven scene detection and real-time tone mapping. The result? A camera that doesn't just capture moments, it elevates them. And then there's iOS 18. With deeper integration of AI, smarter automation, and new layers of customization, the software truly feels like it was made just for you. Whether it's organizing your day, filtering your notifications with precision, or generating summaries of your daily screen time and usage, iOS 18 turns the iPhone 16 Pro into your most intelligent digital assistant yet. But Apple's real magic lies in the way all of this just works, effortlessly, beautifully, and intuitively. The iPhone 16 Pro is not just about specs, it's about the experience. It's about feeling like your phone is one step ahead, giving you the tools you didn't know you needed, and doing it with a level of polish and privacy-first design that only Apple can deliver. From its sleek design and unmatched performance to its world-class camera and AI-powered software, the iPhone 16 Pro represents a new pinnacle in Apple's smartphone legacy. Whether you're a power user, a creator, or someone who simply appreciates the finer things in tech, this is the phone that reminds us why Apple continues to lead, not follow. This is not just the next iPhone. This is iPhone 16 Pro. That wraps up our list of the iPhone 16 Pro. Which one do you think is the best for your home? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Top Tech Review for more expert reviews, comparisons, and the latest home tech updates, and thanks for watching.